It's 30 degrees outside, time for iced tea. Hello and welcome back to German Brew. Today our iced tea we make a while ago. I just see here we start in June the 19th. Today is August the 26th, so 2 months. We start with a gravity with 1.080, and I'm sure I don't write it down too bad. We using the cider yeast, 9% yeast. So maybe we're dry, maybe we're not dry. We will check the gravity, and of course we will try it today. I see a few bubbles more, and more important, I see there a bug. Here's the bug, and of course it's died in our alcohol, and we just throw it. It was a little bit stormy when it starts, but it's no problem. We will open it the first time carefully. So yeah, the bug is inside. Put it away. I already can smell alcohol. A little bit fruity. We will check. Here's a little bit solid. I can see here, and it's not even close to clear. So we will rack it first. I will try to get not too much of the yeast and the solid parts, and then we need to check the gravity. I think 2 months it's done. Now it's low. We have now here our tea. Let's check the gravity. Okay, it's floating. 1.031. So it's still sweet. We will calculate how much alcohol it is in a moment. So we're talking about 7%. 7% alcohol, that's not a lot. What do I smell? A little bit alcohol, more some lemon, and really young. So let's try. That's sweet, and it tastes like iced tea. It still has some CO2, give it a little bit fizziness. Wow, still really sweet, and a lot of black tea. We're using 800 grams instant iced tea in just 2.5 liters. Normally you use more than 2.5 liters in this, but it has the sweetness of normal iced tea now. And I'm sure you need to drink it cold. That's why we will put some ice inside. At the end we will check again. So we will bottle. I'm sure it's safe. It's already 2 months old. There is nothing happened the last weeks, so it's safe. And also these bottles are not so bottle bombs. They open. So we're starting bottling. I prepared 3 bottles because we have a little bit more than 2.1 liter. Let's start. So 3 bottles and a small glass. I put now ice cubes inside. Oh wow, really better. You need to cool it down. You need to drink it cold. And 7%, it's more than beer. You don't taste it. Dangerous. Really dangerous. Okay. Can you make wine from instant iced tea? Yes, you can. Did you need to make it? I'm not sure. It just tastes like iced tea with alcohol, no special flavor. So maybe not. But you can. You can do if you want alcohol fast and cheap. You can make it.